Hey little artists! Ready to draw with me today? I saved a seat for you. Wait! Don't finish yet. At the end, I'll show you how to make it super cut.
Sing, little bird, sing soft and low. Through the storm and the wind, let your sorrow show. Clap your tiny hands, tap your little feet. Dance to the song, though the world's not sweet. Twirl in the sunlight that hides behind gray. Hum the tune the grown-ups say. Close your eyes, breathe the night.
If you want to draw with me again tomorrow, tap the red button so I can find.
Your song is so fine, it warms the hearts that are not kind. One last note, one final rhyme. Then sleep, little birds, for all of time.
Today we're drawing a beautiful heart with lots of colors.
Sing, little bird.
I'm starting with a big heart shape.
The storm and the wind, let your sorrow show. Clap your tiny hands.
Take your time and draw slowly.
Song, though the world.
Now I'm drawing a small heart inside.
That hides behind gray.
Let's add curved lines inside the heart. Wait till the end to see the full color surprise.
Everything's alright.
It doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun.
The hearts that are not kind. One last note, one final rhyme. Then sleep, little birds, for all of time.
These soft lines make the heart look extra special. Keep watching. The colors are coming next. You can choose your own colors too. There is no wrong way to color. Next is orange. And keep smiling. Pink makes everything look sweet and lovely. For drawing with me today. the finished heart. So colorful and beautiful. Hey friends, let's draw together super easy. Just a few simple lines.